Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Mercedes-Benz GLS. Begin by lightly sketching the basic rectangular shape of the vehicle. Next, define the wheelbase and overall height using simple horizontal and vertical lines. Remember to consider the general proportions, aiming for a balanced look before adding any details. This foundational step is crucial for a realistic drawing. Now, refine the body outline, paying attention to the elegant curves of the hood and the smooth slope of the roofline. Carefully draw the iconic Mercedes-Benz grille, ensuring its prominent position. Then, add the characteristic headlight shapes and begin to define the side windows and door panels. These elements start to bring the GLS to life. Next, focus on the wheels and tires, making sure they are perfectly circular and proportionate to the vehicle. Incorporate smaller, yet important, details such as the side mirrors, door handles, and any trim lines. Once these are in place, start applying light shading to introduce depth and volume, making the GLS appear three-dimensional on your paper. For the final touches, go back and darken the essential lines to make them stand out. Enhance the shadows to give your drawing more contrast and realism. Pay close attention to refining textures, particularly on the intricate grille pattern and the wheel spokes. Finally, carefully erase any visible construction lines to present a polished and complete Mercedes-Benz GLS drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.